Traci is a great communicator, and she makes you feel very at ease, and it's very comfortable. And I think you have to be in that kind of surrounding in order to really to let yourself get to the point where you hear and participate.
I really got a lot of practical information and advice for how to spot signs of elder abuse, things to evaluate, things to consider when I walk into a situation where there's a senior who may be at risk.
Some of the techniques that Traci presented today are different than any of the other techniques that I have learned before, and the opportunity to practice them while you were in class and be evaluated was very helpful before walking away.